Hello everyone, this is Dr. Siddhartha Ghosh, Professor, Computer Science Department, Head, R&D Division, Keshav Memorial Institute of Technology, Hyderabad, India. This video is to tell about a new course I am proposing named IT Infrastructure Management as a part of massive online open course. As today's scenario, across the globe once we see what we call as today's world is the digitally driven world or information driven world. Every information technology organization or what we call the software companies and hardware companies are working day and night to provide a specific solution for a specific organization. Many of the times we name it as IT infrastructure management. Simply to say what is IT infrastructure management is all about starting from building up a specific network for the organization, the PCs, PC maintenance, the servers, server maintenance, and in the present day world to providing public and private oriented cloud services, and finally for this total infrastructure to provide a security. As a whole, it becomes a one solution known as IT infrastructure management solution. This specific field today is the most emerging one, and this field required millions of skilled software and hardware engineers. It's not like that through this specific course I am going to talk about something very new. In the different form, IT infrastructure management has been offered by different universities and organizations across the globe, but most of the cases, I should tell that 80% of the cases I have seen that these courses are basically offered as a part of MBA, Master of Business Administration, and hence the focus was always on management things. The course here I am offering and talking about the IT infrastructure management is all about basically technology. Starting from how to develop or design or propose a IT infrastructure for any kind of organization, starting from small to big, simple to complex for the government organization, and then providing the PC solutions, that means the PC maintenance, the operating system installation, the troubleshooting, the server maintenance, the server software installation, the server administration, setting up of a network, maintain the network, and then providing a specific solution based upon this network, making cloud enabled for the public and private services, and finally to providing a network security for all these services. This all required skilled software and hardware people. This course can be taken by any graduate people who has information technology and computer science or electronics as their background. They have studied the basic computer science and electronic subjects, or also can be taken by the people who are working in the industry as server administrator or network administrator to enhance their skills. I feel once this IT infrastructure management course goes online as a part of massive online open course, is going to make a revolution in the coming days, and millions of learners are going to be benefited. At the same time, the industry and world is going to be benefited. Thank you.